everyone!
Hi!
Thank you for coming to our farm stand. If you need, looking for something to do, it's like a 5-minute drive.
What do you think about the farm stand?
I like the farm stand a lot. It gives me a chance to help people in my community and like see my impact being on the people who really need it. Favorite part about helping out here?
I'll say my favorite part's making sure everyone feels welcome and feels supported as they're grabbing produce.
The thing I enjoy most about helping at the farm stand is meeting all the nice people in it.
What do you like most about the farm stand?
Well, the one that I like is that they really do it nicely. You know, if it's a lot of thing, you can get more, and if it's not, you divide it with the people, which is very good.
It's fun. You meet people, you become friends with them, and it's always enjoyable sitting in the fresh air and good stuff.
I think the farm stand is a really amazing resource for people on the north side and the North Shore because you get organic, fresh produce, whole foods, healthy foods for free, and it's easily accessible.
Oh, I think it's great. I love all the fresh organic produce and especially the flowers. This is what I come for, is a bouquet of flowers.